Welcome to this Blackboard tutorial on copying course content. This tutorial will walk you through the steps of copying existing content from one course site to another. In order to use the course copy feature, you must have one course site that already contains content. You must also have already created a new empty course site into which you intend to copy the content. Course sites are organized by semester. Use the arrow on the left to navigate to the desired semester. You could also use the drop-down in the center to choose the appropriate semester. Select the course that contains the content to be copied. In the control panel, click Packages and Utilities. Then click Course Copy. Under Select Copy Type, leave Copy Course Materials into an existing course selected. There are no other options available. Click the Browse button to look for the course site into which you are copying content. If you have a lot of course sites, you can use the search box at the top to narrow down your options. When you see the desired course, click the radio button to select it. Then click Submit. Next, you can choose which parts of the course to copy. Please note that some selections have dependencies that you must also choose for the copy to work correctly. Anything that has a Grade Center column attached to it, like assessments, assignments, etc., require that you choose the content area where the link exists and the Grade Center columns and settings. In addition, assessments require that you also choose tests, surveys, and pools. If you do not choose all of the appropriate dependencies, your content may not copy as expected. Assignments will not copy at all. Things like assessments and graded discussions may copy, but not be deployed or not be gradable without additional attention. The safest option is to click the Select All button to ensure that everything gets copied. It is usually easier to remove unwanted materials from the destination course than it is to try to copy missing items at a later date. In the File Attachments area, you should leave Copy Links and Copies of the Content selected. Once you've finished with your selections, click Submit. You will see a message at the top indicating that the action has been queued and that you will receive an email once the copy completes. When you receive the email, you can check your destination course to verify that content copied correctly. You may need to click the Refresh button to ensure that you are seeing all of the material in the destination course. If you believe something did not copy, please contact the ITS Service Desk for assistance before initiating another course copy. If you have questions or need further assistance, please contact the ITS Service Desk at 270-745-7000 or online at wku.edu/ITS.